Hi guys, good afternoon. I want to explain to you why porridge or lugaw in the Philippines we call it lugaw. It's like a rice soup with nothing in it. No salt, no anything, no pepper, no nothing. This is half cup of rice, which is 100 grams of carb. Because my glucose have rice like more than 1 point, so I decided to have porridge every meal I have, like 2 times. Like this one is 100 grams. I eat this like 3 times. So in 100 grams, how much? It's only 30 plus grams only of carb. Because your glucose got high because of too much intake of carb. So this is one way to avoid my glucose so high. So far it is good because I feel light, and then lessen my carbohydrate. That's why sometimes I avoid eating outside, or when I eat outside, when I crave for something, I just do something that I want to eat, but as much as possible, less your carb para hindi tumaas ang glucose niyo at hindi rin tumaas ang sugar mo. I'm not yet diabetic. That's what you call pre-diabetic, because the normal glucose is like I have 1.3 something, a little bit higher. So in order to avoid that, avoid eating too much of the carb. Carb came from rice, yeah, because we are a rice eater, and I don't eat much bread, but I eat bread also, and pasta, it came from pasta too. So I'm already old, 60 years old. I wanted to be like healthy. So far so good. My blood pressure is okay, only my glucose can up. So this is the porridge. Only half cup of rice, and then you put 4 cups of water until it end up like this.